Hey, I'm making this video because some Google Chrome users on M1 Mac are unable to upload or attach files. And I happen to be one of those people. So, love the M1 Mac, been great. This has really been the only thing that has been frustrating since I got it about 2 years ago. So, in some cases, if you're using Chrome and you want to go and upload something or make an attachment in certain applications, or really any application that has that upload functionality, it just stops working after a couple days. And did some research, and I've been living with it for probably 2 years, and lots of times I'll just reboot. It'll work for a while, then it'll start happening again. So I did a little research and found at least one article here that seems to have worked at this point. So I will link this article in the description, pianukaweb.com. Anyways, I'll link it. So I just followed the instructions that it gave me, and I'm going to walk you through it here. And it did the trick. So what they want you to do is go over to your system preferences, security and privacy, and you have to do the unlock here. I use my fingerprint. So there we go. And then the tricky part is, because I don't do this a lot, is you need to select full disk access. And then you use this add button. And you had to go to your applications folder locally, like physically on your Mac drive, which kind of surprised me. Find the Chrome app. There you go. Select it. I've already done it, so I'm not going to select it. And then it will hopefully resolve the problem for you. So you can see that it's giving the Google Chrome app full access to the disk. So as part of this, it did require me to close out of Chrome. I just rebooted. So at this point it did work. Not exactly sure if it worked because I rebooted or because of this trick that I did, but certainly I will let you know in the comments if it stops working, and I'll actually just delete the video if it stops working, since it will no longer be helpful and be a fix. But anyways, at this point, it looks like a reasonable fix for this problem. If it fixes it long term, then I am very grateful to this article, and hopefully this video will help you as well. I'll post everything else that I know about it at trafficistruth.com.